Hey there, good morning. Hope everyone's good. Let's see what I've done. Got some paneling up. I've tried out some paint, not loving it. I still have to finish and get my electrical all together. Front doors in, kitchen windows in. We just started some rough electrical a couple days ago. Oh, fun, fun, fun. Back window is in. Just need to trim it out and make it secure. Fun in here. Shh. Sink, shower, toilet. Lots more to do. Always more to do. The list never ends. Holidays were good, but long. Some injuries, some sicknesses. Took a few weeks off, but we're back at it. A little rain here in California. Yay. Thank you, Lord. Still need, paneling up on the roof in the bathroom. Paneling the roof system is tough. It is not fun. Thankfully, there's steel rivets every 2 foot. So that's what we're attaching to. Yeah, but it takes a lot of muscle and a lot of patience. And I only have 5 more to go. Yay! I really like how this trim came out. Obviously, once that furniture's gone and my workstation's gone and painted, I think the trim panel will help hide the panel seams, and it really helped suck in the places of the paneling that started wavering. Is that the word? I'm sure you could see at the end wall where I just haven't put enough screws in it, really. But then moisture gets in here because it's not fully sealed, or it wasn't. Now it is, but it kind of made all my walls a little... let me see. The lighting's bad. Anyway, gotta finish trimming my windows. Home stretch. Hopefully a few more weeks. Please hang in there with me. Have a great day.